English, you are here. I'm trying to go over to this subway stop. That's next. These are the machines you use to recharge your Podsterosha card. I didn't pronounce that right, I know. But here, you just simply top up the unified e-purse by putting your card in there and then putting like 100 rubles in there, and that'll top it up. And they'll even give you a receipt at the bottom. And as you can see, it's in English. This is the exit of the metro. It's a pretty nice neighborhood with classically designed buildings in St. Petersburg, but the reason why the metro stop is called what it is because of this. It's a sports stadium. Keeping the sports stadium to my right, I'm going to walk this way. As I walk a little further, I see the Neva River. And look at those classically designed buildings on the other side. This is a bridge that crosses the river. From the bridge, you can see that way towards the Baltic Sea and the Latka Tower I saw this morning. The river's going inland. Look at that hydrofoil. Whoa! Look at the speed of that guy. That is an express hydrofoil to Peterhof. That was a short. For my full video, please click the link below.